What is going on, fam? Welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time you're tuning in, appreciate it. If you want to, hit the like button. If you like this stuff, hit the subscribe button if you want to. But today we're gonna go do something a little bit special for Beyonce. I'll tell you guys here in a minute. My fam, welcome back. We are inside the garage now. What I told you guys earlier, little something for the bike, little something for Beyonce. Had to get her detailed up today, so that's what we're doing. He said it shouldn't take too long, not too much on the bike. Obviously she's naked, right? So she ain't got all that stuff with it, but we're gonna get some stuff done today, and she's gonna be looking real pretty in the sun here in a little bit. So we'll get back to you guys.
What I'm using now is a waterless wash, because the other stuff, it works well, but I think for body work it's really soapy. So it's like better on like engine parts and stuff like that, you know, because it's a lot of buff off when you're just doing body work that's smooth. So I'm kind of learned as I go, like kind of what works for what, and everything is different. Everything is going to respond a little different, you know, on every machine, every car. But you can tell if paint's contaminated because it'll sound rough.
Oh, okay.
Like sandpaper. Yours, I'm not really feeling any resistance, and I'm not really hearing anything. Okay. It's pretty glassy smooth. And that's what, when you're using the clay bar, that's the point you're trying to get to. So you keep going over it until you have little resistance and you don't really hear that.
Yeah, okay.
You can see how much better this is for intricate areas, and I can actually go over curves and stuff with my finger. There's a little bit. Yeah. I'm right here. That's just a mark from your seat, which the polish would take that out. Yeah, you got some. Yeah, we've got some marks right here. Yeah, it's definitely some stuff right here. Okay. Looks like a rub mark. See, I didn't get this tool until Christmas of last year.
Oh, okay.
So then we're just I'm gonna splotch it out. So I think I'm just going to do the top portion because I think the sides were fine, and because you have those pads it's going to be harder to really get a good contact patch. But here, oh yeah, I can get a good contact patch. Alright, then we spread it out. I'm not applying any pressure. Working the polish in. You can see now it's got like wavy consistency to it. It just depends on the paint. It really does.
Yeah.
Now, I'm mainly just going to focus in the areas that I identified, you know, still needed a little bit of work.
Okay.
So basically the black.
We are now applying the ceramic coating to it. Appreciate everybody sitting to the end of the video. If you have not subbed yet, hit that sub button. Huge shout out to Tim's Touch Detailing for putting the ceramic coat on the bike. So if you have a bike, a car, or a lawnmower you want ceramic coated, hit up Tim's Touch Detailing. All of his information that I have is in the description below. Hit that link, check him out. Ask them questions if you want to. Again, appreciate you guys sitting to the end of the video. We'll see you guys on the next one.